Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix sound or audio problems on Windows. Now, without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let's start with the basic one. Now, click on your audio icon in the taskbar. Now, make sure this is not muted because sometimes we forgot that we mute the volume. It's like that. Now simply unmute the volume and then push this slider to the maximum volume that you prefer. Now once done, make a right click on your audio icon and then you have to select sound settings. Now here you need to choose the right output for your device and also for the right input because sometimes you choose the wrong output and the wrong input. That's why you are getting no sound on your Windows, so make sure of that. And then make a right click on your audio icon again and click on the troubleshoot as sound problems because sometimes troubleshooting does help you because what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing, and aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix your audio issues. So try in that. Now this is still loading in my case, but in your case, you have to simply try that. You can also do it another way by clicking on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and you'll find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find audio with the run button corresponding to it. So simply run the audio troubleshooter. Now once done, close this window. For the next method is we need to again make a right click on the audio icon and then select open volume mixer. Now make sure from here that the devices that uses your microphone, they are not muted. From here, you just need to simply that all of this audio icons from here are not muted. Okay, now once done, simply close out of here. Then for the next method is we also need to make sure that our audio driver is updated. So on how we can do that, just simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, locate the sound, video, and game controllers. And here you'll find your audio driver. Simply make a right click, select properties. Click on the driver tab. Click on update driver. You can do first search automatically for drivers if you are connected to an internet connection. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. And after that, you just need to restart your Windows once. And if that didn't help you, go back to the same device manager window, click on update driver. Now this time we need to choose browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and it will show you all the available drivers on your Windows. Now what you can do is you need to try one by one as to what will work for you and just simply click on the next button. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Simply close this and then close this window, and after that you just need to restart your Windows once. And then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type sound settings. Click on that under the best match. Scroll down and you will find more sound settings. Now here in this window, make sure that your audio device is set as the default device. So as you can see from here, my speaker, which is the Realtek Audio, this is set as the default device. Make sure that it's set as the default device. You can simply make a right click and then select set as the default device. Now from that, just simply also click on apply and click on OK and then close this window, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.